Hello crunchers and welcome to the HERO7. Oh my god, look at this thing. I'm gonna tell you why I bought this GoPro Hero 7 and not the GoPro Silver and not the GoPro White. There's two things why you might not want to buy the Silver or the White. There's actually two game-breaking things that I'm just not okay with. First I was thinking, oh, I'll buy the silver or the white, but as you can see here on my notes, I have it all ready. I have my knife ready. Let's get it open, and then I'll just gonna tell you in a minute why I actually bought this, and because of those two things I am not buying the other ones. This one is really cool. This is a little lens you can put on your GoPro, and it's actually a diving lens. It's like $5 or something like that, and you actually get more true color of the underwater animals and everything. Alright, let's dig in. So this one, GoPro7 Black, can record in 4K 60 frames per second. Now sorry, that was really loud probably. Now the GoPro Silver 7 can record in 4K and 30 frames per second. And the silver or the white can record in 1440p 60 frames per second. But this GoPro Black 7 is the highest model and has the most features. Here you can see all the accessories that's coming with it. It does 12 megapixel where the silver has 10 and the white has 10 megapixels too. The GoPro itself is actually waterproof, but I actually bought a case that I'm going to do a review later on. So you can see 12 megapixel, 4K 60, 33 feet or 10 meters. It has voice command. Holy crap, amazing. Touchscreen 8x slow-mo, where the other two models have less or non-existing. GPS, HDR, HyperSmooth. But this is one of the reasons why I bought this. The two other ones, the silver and the white, does not have HyperSmooth. The white has not very good stabilization, and the silver has a little better stabilization, the silver, and it's actually similar to GoPro 6. So, you know, and the silver is like $100 cheaper, but I think if you save off extra $100, get the black. Sometimes like Amazon has a promo code. I got that, and you actually got a gift card for $50. That was amazing. And lastly, live streaming. Oh yeah, gonna do that. All right, so let's see here. The bad boy is stuck. I've heard that you should not destroy the case because the resale value really good, but oh no, they want me to rip it. Oh man. All right, we're gonna rip it. God damn it. All right, here we go, guys and girls. All right, still stuck. Whoop. Dun, 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 dun. Amazing. Wow, it's heavy. Very cool. Alright, so yeah, it says flip up, spread the legs, pull it off. So, up, spread the legs. I think I need to push it in. I did that last time. There we go. Push them in. There we go. Alright, very heavy. Good quality already. Ooh, so, yeah, right. So it comes with like a case already. Very nice. Very snappy spring. Oh, sounds so good. Sounds so good. Oh, I have to like use 2 fingers. Holy crap. Wow. Let's open this bad boy up. Wow, this is good quality. You can feel it right away. I need to push it. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, boy. Here we go. Here we go. It's coming. Ooh, ah. Wow. Okay. Really nice quality case. Really like this. Has the feed, a universal GoPro mount, so you can put it on anything. Oh, there's a little button here that feels really good. Wow. Yeah, it's heavy. Big screen. Beautiful. Very nice. Alright, let's put it right here. Now let's see what else is in. Okay. Alright, so unboxing, we got the GoPro Plus manual. Nice and easy. See, I love that. It's like simple, sweet. Need help? Sure. GoPro stickers, very nice. Maybe put that on my car. Nice little manual. Who has time for reading that? Let's just mount it and do some action. I usually read manuals when things goes wrong. Nice cable. Ooh, very. Oh, very stiff. Wow, damn. This is a high quality cable. Jeez, look at this. How thick it is. God damn. Look how long and extra protection to put on. Very nice. Got some extra mount. I did buy some extra gear. There's some good packages on Amazon or eBay where you can just for like $10-15 you get like a whole like pack of different mounts and a case and sometimes batteries too. Alright, so here is the next why I bought the GoPro Black and not the GoPro7 Silver and the white. So I'll show you right now. So it should be like this. That's why. Removable batteries GoPro. Like what the hell? On the silver and on the white, you cannot remove the battery. So when you're like out surfing or bicycling or running or doing action cam adventures, if your GoPro silver or white runs out of battery, you're screwed. You can't just like, oh, no problem. Hey guys, don't have to wait for me. I'm just gonna plug the other battery in because I bought 2 extra batteries with a charger. Other battery in, bam, put it on your bicycle, on your surfboard, whatever, kite surfing, and you just go, shh. Run out of battery, no problem, because I have 3 batteries now. Plug that in, all that stuff. If you have the silver or the white, I was like, yeah boys, I gotta go home and charge this thing. What the hell? Unbelievable. And yeah, it has HyperSmooth, which is almost GoPro-like. The GoPro7 Black, which is amazing. And it's, as I said, like the smoothness it's like pretty decent on the silver, and on the white it's not that great. I would not actually recommend it. It's almost the HERO7 Black gimbal-like. Just imagine this camera. You can go on YouTube and like see videos of where they're comparing the video stabilization on the black, silver, and white. You can clearly see that the black is way better. And you can also do the 4K here, where it's like lower resolution on the silver and the white. Alright guys, this was a fast unboxing of the GoPro 7. Tell me down in the comments below why you bought the different cameras, why you didn't buy the 7 Black, why you did. I want to hear why. Alright guys, and girls, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.